This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie mix better. First, ensure all your ingredients like eggs and butter are at room temperature. This helps them combine more smoothly, creating a more uniform batter. When mixing, stop as soon as the dry ingredients are just incorporated. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to tough brownies instead of fudgy ones. Finally, properly grease your baking pan to prevent sticking. To truly elevate the flavor of your brownies, consider adding a few simple ingredients. 1 teaspoon of instant espresso powder, for example, won't make your brownies taste like coffee, but it will significantly deepen and enhance the chocolate notes. A small pinch of sea salt can also work wonders, balancing the sweetness and bringing out the other flavors. For extra texture and richness, fold in a half cup of chocolate chips or chopped nuts. Achieving that perfect brownie texture is key. Swapping out vegetable oil for melted butter will give your brownies a richer flavor and a chewier, more satisfying bite. For an even fudgier result, try adding 1 extra egg yolk to your batter. This boosts the fat content, contributing to a denser, more moist brownie. Also, consider baking at a slightly lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for a bit longer to ensure they cook through without drying out. Don't be afraid to get creative and customize your brownies. For a delightful twist, swirl in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, cream cheese, or caramel sauce before baking. This adds an exciting layer of flavor and visual appeal. Once they come out of the oven, a sprinkle of flaky sea salt on top can provide a wonderful contrast and a gourmet finish. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly baked brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.